This is my 500 brake horsepower sleeper Civic FN2 Type R, and today we're going to be racing it against random people and take it down the drag strip to see how quick the Civic Type R really is. But we have ran into some serious problems, which we're going to get into the video now. Today we're taking out our £25,000 boosted FN2 Type R build, probably one of the most hated builds out there, to see how quick it really is down the quarter mile. Then we're putting it on the timed circuit to see how it stacks up against some much faster cars. We already know it gapped my boosted EK Civic and even gave a supercar a proper run for its money. But now it's time to really put it to the test. So I've got the FN2 turbo on the ramp. I'm here right now to change the oil. That's the first and foremost thing on a turbo car. Let's do it.
Oh, exhaust is well made. It's got poly cuts in it. Yeah, that'll be a 3-inch that will.
That bit right there?
Yeah, see, it's all poly cut.
Wow, I never knew that. It's done a good job in trying to keep it quiet. Oh man, Andrew is taking off the undertrim. This is the only car I've got to race the MX-5.
Oh, I'm going to sabotage it so I'll win the race.
Come on. That's quite nice.
Where's the oil filter on these?
Oh yeah. Good question. I've got an oil filter as well.
I should hope so. We're doing an oil change.
Oh wow, look at the turbo on that. I never knew it was blue colour.
That's massive.
That is big. I started going through some of the old receipts from when this build was first done and it all made sense. The turbo kit alone was £8,000 from TDI North, and get this, the billet turbo can actually handle 800 brake horsepower, which is mad, and it's good news because in the future we can actually get a forged build and push this Civic to 800 brake horsepower. Oh, that is huge, right?
It's hidden as well.
I can't believe that. No leaks. Doing the first oil change in the FN2. Whoa, skill. The first time I'm using one of these though. Check it out, R2D2. Whilst waiting for the oil to drain, I thought I'd go ahead and remove the oil filter. But of course, it wasn't going to make life easy. This thing was practically welded on. With the hidden turbo setup, there's barely any space to even get your hand in. Everything's crammed and tucked away. We finally managed to get it off using a big pair of pliers. Proper dodgy method, but hey, it worked. There we go. Yeah.
Same size, same threads. Do you know about this trick? You put oil on the seal.
For the oil, I've gone with 10W60 race engine oil. Now if you're not sure what that is, it's basically a really thick high viscosity oil that's built for high performance and racing engines.
When the engine runs, the low quality oil settles at the bottom over time, whereas the gears on the high quality oil side remain properly lubricated.
This stuff is designed to handle extreme heat and pressure, and the best part is it keeps a strong protective film when things get spicy under boost, and thinner oils might break down and cause oil starvation. This keeps everything properly lubricated so the engine doesn't end up grenading itself. Now with that job all done, it's time to move on to the next bit of servicing, just to keep everything running sweet and make sure we're building this car for longevity, not just power. The worst things about FN2 Type Rs is you can't access the rocker cover directly. You have to take this part off first before you can access the bolts. Bit of a pain, but we have to do it. There's one more bolt we need to get from down there just to access the rocker cover. How bad that rocker cover is. You can probably understand why this job was so important to sort out before taking the car racing. Any hot leaking oil around the engine, especially near the turbo, could literally turn into a fire hazard. And on top of that, if too much oil seeps out, you're looking at oil starvation, which can completely destroy the engine. Alright, let's get this rocker cover off now. I'm glad that we're getting this done before we take it to the racetrack. All the bolts are removed. Now it's time to take out the injectors and then the spark plugs, and hopefully this rocker cover should come off. We finally got it off, boys. But that is looking clean. Normally, like K20s, when I took out the rocker cover, it normally looks quite bronze, but this is looking really good. Chain guide looks really good as well. That's been chained. It's really good, you know. The old one out. Put a bag over the top of the engine head so that no dust or anything goes into it whilst we prepare the rocker cover and then get brand new gaskets. So let's do that now. Now it's time to get the 4 gaskets inside the rocker cover out to put some new ones in. That is literally one of the gaskets. So we've got to do that another 3 more times. Right, now all the gaskets are out. Now it's time to get the rocker cover all ready, prepped up, ready for paint. Can you guess what colour it's going to be? You bring it back to bare metal, and that's how it's done properly. But I do love chrome, it's just amazing. Let's keep it moving, guys. I stuck with the chrome look. It looked amazing on the boosted EK Civic, so I thought why not do it again, because I know it's gonna pop. Okay, the rocker cover is now done. It's time to put it back into the FN2 Type R. Let's whack it in. Now, a lot of people in the Type R forums, they just put the gasket on there and that's it. But I'm just gonna put RTV just in case. You know, you just never know, you know. I'm gonna whack some here, put some around here. It's definitely gonna go around the back. A lot of people will not agree with me with this. After seeing how it leaks out with the gasket, I want to make sure the gasket never leaks ever again until a new gasket is required. Don't copy me, this is just my own preference I like to do. Right, let's get the rocker cover on. Wow, that was pretty quick. But bear in mind, you gotta do it quick because RTV runs out within like 10 minutes. That looks way better than before. If you think we should actually make it gold colour, let me know in the comment section down below. Oh guys, to me that looks like 1000 times better. It's a bit dark, so what I'm going to do is turn the light on right now in 3, 2, 1. It's the next day now. Now let's start the rocker cover back all together. NGK iridiums, only put these in the boosted Civic. Refitting the rocker cover was just the reverse. Talk to spec so nothing cracks. Whilst I was there, we cleaned up the engine bay and polished all the chrome parts. Bit of detailing to make it pop. Easy DIY job that would have cost £200 to £400, so you save money and learn a skill for life. So give it a try. And our next purchase is some slicks. Whoa. Let's see if these do the job of getting more grip. I learned from the boosted EK Civic that semi-slicks just aren't enough for grip. With an LSD you really need full slicks. But before committing, I wanted to check the fitment. Drag cars usually run wide fenders. If these drag wheels work, we're going to take it to a drag strip and see how crazy this FN2 is going to be on slicks. It's going to be mad. Mickey Thompson's, you're the man, see? Yeah. Oh my god, it worked, you know?
Yeah, the spin, isn't it? It's pretty clear options.
Talk about fitment.
That's tight. Oh, you can't get your fingers in there.
It actually worked, but only for going straight, which is all we need on a drag strip. This is going to be epic. Now it's time to install a safety modification for the FN2 Turbo. I've got the TDI Z50 Pro dashcam with both front and rear coverage. It records in 4K and 180p, has a 3-inch IPS display, Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfer, built-in GPS. My favourite part though is the 24/7 monitoring, and the 4G connectivity is super handy. It even comes with a 64GB SD card. It literally says how to install it right here, and with the box they even give you like a tool so you can put it inside the interior and hide all the wires, so I could plug in the USB. It does come with a hardwire kit so you can wire it in. Travels all across here, all the way through the interior, out through the bottom and in right there. Now here we are installing the rear camera. I wired it all in so that you can't even tell it's going to the front. There you go, you couldn't even tell it's there now. The quality of this dashcam is unreal. It captures everything in 4K, day or night, no matter the weather. It even picked up a driver's erratic move that almost caused a crash, like for this instance right here. Look what happens next. It even has voice reminders like this.
The vehicle ahead has started moving.
Getting the number plate was crystal clear, which is a lifesaver after having dealt with a hit and run before. The 24-hour surveillance is my favourite feature. It records everything from bumps to break-ins, giving me total peace of mind. Head over to ddpi.com in the website link down below and grab yourself a discount on a dashcam and be secured at all times. Now the car is fixed, we can now take it down the road and do some crazy reactions and then take it to a drag strip. But now it's time to really put it to the test, starting off by racing against some other modified cars. So we start off with racing a Lexus IS200. Go, 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 go. This car is nuts. It's quiet, it's not loud, it's not asbo, it's smooth, reliable, family. Now a stage 2 M140i pushing over 400 brake horsepower starts taunting me. Let's see how well we stack up against it. I think at that point, I think he knew it was a sleeper Civic. That's why he didn't want to carry on. Now we race a PD130 hybrid turbo on low boost around 320 brake against a notorious diesel power. That PD130 is fast. Go, go, go. Drive safe, man. That is rapid. I told you. See that? So basically, the reason why this car misfires.
The pop thing, that's the ECU tech traction control. So as we went over the line, it senses the differential in the wheel, the speed, and it causes this, it does like a micro ignition cut rather than the big clumsy traction control kicking in.
Now we turn up the boost to 500 brake horsepower to feel the proper power. Hondas are just absolutely the best bang for buck cars to buy. And if you boost them, it's like the best car ever. So now I'm in Santa Pod to take it down the drag strip to see how fast it truly is. We can run it on bog standard PS4 Michelin tyres to give it a chance against the EK Civic because this has an LSD. So let's find out. Again, I've got no experience running LSD. Let's find out how this FN2 turbo runs down a quarter mile. Let's go! Now before we take the boosted FN2 turbo down the drag strip, I thought it would be a good idea to take it on a time attack trail if it's quicker than a GR Yaris. I've got to beat that. Will I do it? We're going to find out.
3, 2, 1, go.
Started off really well. At this point you can see the LSD is really kicking in the turns as I'm putting the acceleration down. Bear in mind the floor is quite wet, so it is struggling to grip. Because it's a front wheel drive car, when you're going around the bends you can't really like swing the back out, so I lost a lot of time there. The contestants were all watching thinking it's a normal Civic, but when they heard the wastegate open up they knew it was a sleeper Civic again. I messed up really bad in the last part of the turn where I wanted to get it in reverse gear but it went in first gear and I pretty much lost 3 to 4 seconds there. That was detrimental to my time. Nevertheless, it was a really good run. Damn. And I enjoyed it. Slower. It's my quickest time. What happened there? Alright. Third place?
Yeah, 37.16.
Oh wow.
Good mate. Mate.
Tried, thank you man.
And then first is the Yaris with
Hey.
Wow. Congratulations man. Smashed it. Now it's time for the most important test of the FN2 turbo to see how fast it really is down a quarter mile. Let's do this. This is the first run in the FN2 turbo. Let's see if it beats the EK Civic. Bear in mind, I haven't practiced. Let's go in full boost. Smoke the tires up. Yeah, I forgot to lower the tire pressure. Come on man, it can't span too much. It span too much man. Damn. I don't know how many seconds that was guys, but I really tried man. Maybe I should go again. Should we go again? Let's go again. How many seconds? How many seconds? I was spinning every gear like mad. I wasn't even gripping. That's my fault. I didn't lower the pressure down. I do have the drag wheels. I haven't changed them, but it is what it is, guys. I did try my best, but gosh, the wheels were spinning like mad. But whoa, this car's quiet. I might go again. How many seconds did I? 13.8. Oh man, that was horrible, man. The launch worked perfectly though, but the whole car was vibrating like mad.
You do 12 seconds.
Your
tyre pressure, man, tyre pressure.
So now what I'm going to do is lower the pressure down on tyres. As you can see, the racetrack is absolutely mad right now. I felt like the first run, bottled it. 1, 2, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now it's time for the second run, where I'll be going up against a 600 brake horsepower EK Civic built by TalkSport. Will I beat it? We're going to find out. This is how we do it! Let's hope that's 13 seconds or 12 seconds. I don't know, man. But the launch was dodgy.
What?
13.2.
That's good enough.
Not bad.
13.2.
That was a solid run. Guys, I don't know how well that did or what happened, but I tried my best, man. First gear, street tires, max PSI. I didn't follow the rules on purpose, but I did what I did, and I just really hope we have cracked the... I'll be happy with low 13s, but 12 seconds would be absolutely madness. But I tried my best. So my final conclusion of this whole video is that the boosted Civic is a really quick car on the street, but the problem is on the drag strip. Because of the surface, normal street tyres are not gripping in first gear at all. I do believe I did want to try the full slicks, but because it started raining I couldn't really test the car out. But I do believe it is an 11-second capable car. It really is a proper sleeper Civic, and I do believe it is the better car than the EK Civic, and I personally love the FN2 Civics after this experience. It is now something that, do we turn up the boost? I'll let you guys decide. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash that like button and drop a comment down below, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next video, because the next one's going to be a crazy video on the EK boosted build. And may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.